Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Edward Smith. I'm mainly into music, I vlog every week, and obviously I make cover videos. So today's topic is how to make a great cover video like Conor Maynard, Alex Aiono and Leroy Sanchez. Guys, there are two things you need to know before you can attempt on making a cover video, and that is you need to be able to sing. You don't have to sing like Adele, you don't have to sing like a Grammy Award winning artist. You just need to stay in key and have a unique voice so that you stand out. The second thing you need to know is that these amazing cover artists like Alex Aiono, Conor Maynard and Leroy Sanchez, they don't perform their songs on the day. They pre-record their recording about 4 days earlier, then they practice it about, 2 or 3 days, and then when the day comes, they get a nice background, they sit there, they sing into the camera, they delete the camera's audio and they just bring in the audio from the recording they did 4 days earlier. I know guys, this could be disappointing, but this is how we do it. That's why the audio sounds great. That's why you see that one video where Conor Maynard's sitting on the top of a roof, he's talking to his brother, you can hear all the city's background noise, and then as soon as the cover video starts, all the sound just disappears and it sounds like an amazing mixed mastered cover video. And that is the reason why. First thing you need to do to make a great cover video is probably go to a recording studio if you can afford it. If you can't afford it, there are 4 things you'll need in a home studio or a home setup to get the best vocals you can possibly get. The first thing you'll need is a condenser microphone. This is the Rode NT1A home microphone. It's really good for home recording. It's probably one of the best out there. And the reason I say you need to use a condenser microphone is because it only picks up your voice and doesn't pick up a lot of background noise. The second thing you'll need to use is an interface. This interface powers this condenser microphone because this condenser microphone does not have a self-powered system. It needs 48 volts of phantom power. So get a nice interface. This is the 18i20 from Focusrite. It's quite expensive. There are cheaper ones with the same good quality. The third thing you'll need is a computer or a laptop. And the fourth thing you'll need is headphones. Monitors are essential, but headphones is where you need to start. The second thing you'll need to be able to do is produce your own music. You need to be able to produce the instrumental. If you can't produce it and you don't have a friend that can help you out, you can go check out Singe karaoke or acoustic karaoke. Guys, note that these instrumentals are copyrighted. So if you use them, put the channel's name in your description and just give them some appreciation for helping you out. Now that you have your recording equipment and you have your instrumental, the thing that really makes you stand out now is how you approach this cover and how you make it different. Do you change the key of the song? Do you add some unique melodies, maybe some strings or some drums or some unique sounds from Massive, or you know what I'm saying? Make it different so it sounds unique and not the same as any other cover. Because there are many people that are probably using that same instrumental from that channel, maybe 1,000 to 10,000 of them using that same instrumental for YouTube, and you're just gonna sound the same if you don't change it up. Guys, the last thing you need to be able to do is get a great background and make yourself look professional. Conor Maynard records many of his videos on the top of a roof, so it has a great background. Leroy Sanchez has one video where he's standing in front of city lights and it just makes him look professional. Guys, lighting is important, where you perform is important. Make sure your video is in the best place possible. The last thing I want to say, I know I said that was the last thing, but the last thing I want to say is be realistic. Artists like Conor Maynard use amazing equipment, that's why their stuff sounds so good. He never sings out of key, it's mixed well, it's mastered well, and it sounds great. Remember that that's not very realistic. It's almost something you can just pop on an album and it will be perfect. I want to motivate you guys to actually do it in a very realistic manner, in terms of not editing your vocals too much, just adding slight delay, slight reverb, make it sound as natural as possible. And the last thing I want to say is make sure you open your mouth when you're singing. People need to see that you're opening your mouth. You can sing to the camera because you can delete that audio, guys. Open your mouth when you're singing. People need to hear that. Conor Maynard, Alex Aiono, they're all singing like this, opening their mouths because it looks realistic. Okay? Open your mouth. We need to hear what you're saying. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it and you found it very helpful, then please leave a like down below. If you want any information, or you can maybe tell me how you make your cover videos, then leave a comment down below so I can check them out. Otherwise, go check out this video. I made this video yesterday and this is my cover video. It's the most realistic one I could ever make, so go check that out and tell me what you guys think about there. Otherwise, if you want to stay connected, maybe see my vlogs or my cover videos, or you want more of these videos, then subscribe over here. Just click the red button down below. I mean, come on. Anyway, see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys next time. Otherwise, have a good time. Peace.